This phone is out of date. Time for an upgrade. Yes. Every few years, I replace my cell phone with a new model. Even with software updates, new models are eventually needed for the best performance, efficiency, and features. It's just how technology moves forward. For this same reason, there are product life cycles for Cisco products too. When the retirement of a particular model or product ID is scheduled, it is announced to the public. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll explain the importance of end-of-sale, EOS, and end-of-life, EOL, announcements for Cisco products. Next. I'll start with the basics. An end-of-sale, EOS, is the official date the product will no longer be for sale. End-of-life, EOL, is the date that the product will no longer be improved, maintained, or supported. Cisco usually announces these changes about 6 months before the EOS date. There are other important dates between EOS and EOL, like end of phone support, the last ship date, the end of software updates, and the last day of support. These dates let you plan ahead and not be caught off guard when a product you're relying on is phased out. You should consider an upgrade. Using outdated equipment can cause problems for your business. The most critical is the lack of security updates. Cyber threats are constant and always evolving. Without addressing these new threats with updates, your network is easier to hack. This can lead to data breaches, theft of sensitive information, or financial loss. Old devices may not be compatible with new applications, technologies, or systems. This can slow down or even shut down a network. Once a product is out of support, fixing issues on your own can be time-consuming and costly. It could even lead to an extended network shutdown. To avoid these issues, stay informed and plan upgrades. Keep your network secure, efficient, and capable of supporting your business needs. If you would like to view the Cisco EOS and EOL announcements or set up email notifications for them, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.